thunderstorm has come through in the last week. I think it was the day the pool was closed, and Death Valley is flooded. I don't know if you can see the water there. It's actually on this side. If I swing across. Century. It's 108 degrees. It's 109 degrees and rising, and it's about 6 o'clock in the evening. As I pan out, this is where we are. It is very, very, very warm.
Down and low and your heart feels cold and you fear you can't go on. There's a flicker of light in the dark of the night if you'll just take hold of hope. It'll come to pass. It'll come to pass. Time won't wait for nothing. It'll come to pass. There's a star in the sky that sings your name to the entire universe. It rolls like a flower on the very first hour of your heavenly human birth. It'll come to pass. It'll come to pass.
Death Valley Creek. Not much
Time
for a
won't
swim,
wait for nothing. It'll come to pass. So when you're feeling pain, don't be ashamed or hide amidst your sorrows. Help us here, my darling dear, have faith in.
Hi there. Well, I've just had a bit of a look around here in the desert. These trees, the Joshua tree, the flying saucer tree, they look like aliens. I tell you what, they're not very friendly aliens because all these needles are as sharp as a pin. If I was to grab hold of that, I can't imagine what sort of pain that would be. I wouldn't like to parachute into one. I wouldn't like to cut one up and carry it. I wouldn't like to do anything with one. So let's go and have a look at something a bit more friendly over there. Well, it's cold, it's crystal clear, and it's only 65 miles from Vegas. The Crystal Pool Spring, and it's coming up out of the ground, and it's cool and it's clear and it's clean, and I can drink it, and there's ducks in it. So I'm going to go for a swim. See you later. Now, before you say anything, I apologise about the wind, but I'm 3,000 metres up and I'm having a bit of a walk through the Sequoia National Forest. That's my car sitting there. There's a bit of a gale. It's probably half the temperature of Death Valley, and I'll just show you. I'm parked on the side of the road and I'll go for my first wander up this canyon in the Sequoia National Park. And I'll try and get to the top of that saddle up there. As you can see, I'm in amongst the giants already, and just 1 hour away is the driest, hottest place on earth. So the stream is running here, so we'll go and
Sitting in the truck yard, waiting for my father. My uncle's in the back shed, looking for some ox blood. My cousin's got a bruised eye, was beat up by a drunk guy. Police are headed over, my grandma's in hysterics. All my life I'm waiting. When will I get out of here? Sitting on the corner, waiting for my mother. She's pressing on the pokies, smoking like a chimney. Hope she wants some girlfriends and bring us out of me. Trying so we can have
I was going to come down there right now, but you can't get through there?
Can't get through. Okay.
Really?
Well, you're in.
Yeah. Oh, oh, it's got a bit of clearance,
Oh
but
yeah, you can make it. You can make
in
it.
that thing?
Yeah, no problem. No problem in that. No,
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
two-wheel drive ones and low. Like this one's almost too low.
You can't get through in that?
No.
Really?
No.
Oh, I don't want to knock it around. It's a,
No, you just got to be a good driver.
yeah.
You know?
Okay. Can you get
There's
back?
7 and 8 foot drop-offs out of
Oh,
the road.
yeah.
So what
From-
you
from
have
the
to do is go-
washouts.
yeah, so you have to go around until you can get through the washout and then come back onto the road.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I don't think.
Yeah. Well, no. The little rockets, they send them up.
Yeah?
Yeah, we watch them all day long doing it. There's actually a mosque out there. There's actually, they come and practice attacking Afghanistan and Iraq. When we were in Iraq, they have like an Iraqi village. The
Well,
whole 9 yards out there.
When Liberty Valance rode to town, the women folk would hide, they'd hide. When Liberty Valance walked around, the men would step aside. Because the point of a gun was the only law that Liberty understood. When it came to shooting straight and fast, he was mighty good. From out of the east a stranger came, a law book in his hand. Oh man, the kind of a man the West would need to tame a troubled land. 'Cause the point of a gun was the only law that Liberty understood. When it came to shooting straight and fast, he was mighty good. Many a man would face his gun, and many a man would fall. The man who shot Liberty Valance, he shot Liberty Valance. He was the bravest of them all.
Years ago that it ran out of the stuff, silver, that they needed. And I'm just having a bit of a scramble around here, so forgive the shaky camera, but as we go up this rocky ground, as you can see, we come into more hillside dwellings. There they are. Come up here. Whoop. There they are. This is where they used to hide out of the heat up here. And if I just pan back down, you can see that was their little church down there. And there I am.